Today, we'll show you how to download and use the RGB Flashlight Multicolor app. First, head to the Google Play Store on your device and then search for RGB Flashlight. After you find it, tap on Install to get started. It'll only take a moment to get installation complete. After installation completed, open the app, and turn it on to use the screen as a flashlight with color of your choice, or use auto color changing feature with different speed options. It's bright and incredibly energy efficient. Set lighting according to your mood, whether indoors or during camping adventures. It's great for party, celebrations, and seasonal decorations. In emergency situations, it's your trusty backup light with no additional hardware or cost. Download now.